Hello, namaste. My name is Nikesh, and in this video, we're gonna to write a Python code to find the duplicate present inside a list. So here you can see, I have already written a example list. For example, you can see Nikesh 700840 and too many elements are present inside a list. And if you notice, some elements are appearing more than one time. Example, 0 repeating three times and 2 repeating also 3 times. So we have to extract only those elements which are duplicate in our list. So let's see how we can solve this question. So I am creating a empty list. Okay, and to create empty list we just use square bracket in Python, and after this I have to run a loop to reach each element which is present inside a list. So for that I'm going to run a for loop for element in list. Okay, for element in list, with the help of this line I am able to reach to the each element. Okay, and now I have to apply a condition. If list of means element list dot count, because I have to count the duplicate na? So count is a built-in method. Inside this I have to apply a element means after running a loop I am extracting each element. Okay, example Nikesh 7008. So in first time when the loop learn, first element Nikesh will come inside this count method and it's count the appearance of Nikesh. Okay, so if the count is greater than 1, that means there are duplicate value. So I simply just if there is a duplicate value, I have to add this element in our empty list. So empty list, and to add element in a list we use append method, and inside this I just have to provide a element. So this is the code, but there is one problem. If I run this code, we'll see I am successfully able to extract each duplicate value, but I don't need to print multiple time of the duplicate value. If there is only 1 0, then I can simply understand yes, there are some duplicate value. So I have to update my code. So for this I just have to use a AND element not in our empty list. Okay, if already duplicate value present in my empty list, then don't add on multiple times. So if I run this code, now we can see only 0 and 2, these are the two elements which are appearing in original list 3 times. Okay, so after running this code I am able to extract only those two elements which is present as a duplicate in our list. So thank you for watching this video, and I am appreciating your time. Thank you.